Ooh, what is it? It's this. I got the hiccups. No, not again. Not again. Them Chad legs. Nice. I forget. Have you had sweet cornbread? I haven't had sweet corn. Wait, sweet. What do you mean sweet cornbread? Isn't cornbread sweet? There's savory and there's sweet. Fuck, the hiccups came back. 3 times today. What the fuck is happening? What did I... I wonder if I did something in my workout that caused me to... get the hiccups. Because it was only after my workout that this started. Hold on, Stick, I'll get... I can't burp, Kashi. I can't burp. It's like naturally I just can't burp. I think I can eat tamales, yeah. They're not sold here. Ooh, actually! Oh, shit! Hang on, there's a Mexican place that I went to for... Hold on. There's a... fuck. There's like a Mexican place I went to. And it had a really great cocktail and Mexican food. We went for Dean and my anniversary in April. And this is the first time we tried it. And I got a horchata cocktail. Duck, I don't know if you remember me telling you. And you said it was a good choice. And I tried the burrito tacos. And they were so good. So I'm gonna look. I don't want to dox them. Well, actually, it's nowhere near me, so maybe I can. Yeah, actually, it doesn't really matter. Bro, I just saw a fucking leech jump across my fucking page, and it scared the shit out of me. Did you see the leech? As soon as I switched to this page, the leech bounced. Anyway, we came here. Hold on. I'll just look if they have tamales. There's a stretch you can do to try and calm your diaphragm. Okay. Lungs, not the other thingy. You mean I'm not trying to stress fucking salt? Maybe not the store-bought ones. I bet they use wheat flour. Yeah, serious lack of Mexican food in Australia. Yeah, I know. So I've already gotten hiccups today on stream, and we tried all this salt. Oh, hang on. Is this the stretch? Okay, my diaphragm muscle needs to be stretched. I did chest today. Do you reckon that I did chest at the gym? Do you reckon that would have fucked it up? I also wait. I've never had hiccups because I can burp on command. Who the fuck never has hiccups in their life? Are you kidding, Kashi? Synchronize your breathing again. Sass, hold your breath for 30 seconds. I also got a leech. It's like your body is trying to tell you to stop talking. Try this. Take a breath, hold it, swallow while you're holding it, then breathe normally. Okay. I'll try this and then I'll try the stretching. Let me start again. Okay, so just swallow. I had to breathe out. Is that okay? I couldn't swallow while. Oh. I appreciate you, crew. Okay, so you rub your diaphragm really deep. Fuck, bro. Do you pooch? From what I've seen, it's because your heartbeat and your breathing became desynchronized. My what? Okay, I try to push my breath out while holding it. I was being serious though, yeah, I know. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Drink water upside down. I fucking hate that one. I'm still good. No, I stopped, crew. I stopped. It fucking started again. Hang on. So I decided to do a little stretching while holding it. So I placed my hands above a door frame and leaned for my. I can't put my arms up from gym. I have to put my hands up above a door frame and lean forward. I'm sorry. Am I parading my ass? Yes. It's just a muscle. Hang on. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put my bra back up. So just hold on. I know. Oh my god. But I can't put my arms up because my bra was stopping it. She was good when we talked about KFC. See, maybe. A shot of ketchup mixed with lemon juice works wonders, and then gargle it. You know, I have both those two things, but I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one, bud. I think you're full of shit. I can't put my hands up from gym. Best feeling, and I know it so well. So, hang on. So I have to... Wouldn't stretching backwards help? No, forwards? Okay, I'm going to hold on to the computers. Oh! Okay, I'm not going to do it too hard. Okay, so I'm holding onto the computers. And I'm going to stretch. Wait, I should put both feet on the ground. Maybe if I put the desk up. It says forwards in this. Oh my god. It's like you're strangling us. I mean, if you're into it. Okay. Raising your arms like this is how you get rid of hiccups. Look at it! A little light choking never hurt anyone, exactly. Come here, chat. Don't tempt me with a good time. I need to stretch the front, not the back. So back? Okay. My shoulder clicked. Did that help? Don't, you know I'm into masks. Okay. I saw a thing about pyramid head. That's what also confused me when I was growing up. I feel like a fucking idiot! Go away! Maybe if I stand up. This is the longest I've seen anyone with hiccups. Seems like a skill issue. Oh, that's mean. It's not a fucking skill. How the fuck is hiccups a skill issue? I can't do that. I can't do that salty. I need some wind knocked out of me. Calm down. Okay, I'm standing up. Maybe that will stretch my diaphragm more. But now the bra straps look ugly, so... It looks like I'm undressing on stream, sorry. Okay. It's not. It stopped, Kashi. That's the thing. This isn't an ongoing case. It stopped. Okay. I've got neighbors, so I'm not doing that. Oh! I am in pain. I'm trying to breathe and die at the same time. Try holding your hands up and then do the breathe in, swallow again. Okay. Hold on. Raise the roof! Alright. Whip. It's not the start of it. It's 3 different times today. Okay? I looked at myself. I have KFC baby now. Oh my god, what are you gonna call it? Mashies? Ooh. Mashies. Okay, it's fine. I'll stand up for a bit. That would definitely be better. Just 1 breathing session is usually enough to stop it. Okay. So to stretch your diaphragm muscle, take a deep breath and hold it for a count of 10. Okay. Will you do it with me, chat? Oh my god. All right. Wait, without letting... Fuck, I should have read it before I did it. Without letting that breath go, take another deep breath. Well, if I've already taken a deep breath, how the fuck am I meant to take another one? What the fuck? I couldn't pooch. It was all full. I had all the air in. I couldn't possibly put in any more air. Who did that?